Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic practice questions. Okay, here is the multiple choice at number 27. I have 11 questions with a calculation at the end as well. Okay, starting with number 1. A current type relay is used in small refrigeration compressors up to a 3/4 horsepower, 2 horsepower, C 1.5 horsepower, or D 1.75 horsepower. Correct answer is A 3/4 horsepower. Number 2. To minimize freeze up or corrosion, the maximum safe limits for moisture in R22 is A 85 ppm, B 80 ppm, C 60 ppm, or D 75 ppm. Correct answer is C 60 ppm or parts per million. Number 3. Screw compressors have almost blank capacity control mechanism. A exponential, B linear, C parabolic, D circular. Correct answer is B linear. Number 4. Centrifugal compressors are blank speed. A step, B intermittent, C varying, or D constant. Correct answer is D constant. Number 5. A blank maintains refrigerant liquid level and pressure difference for condensing operation. A float valve, B condenser valve, C sink valve, or D flapper valve. Correct answer is A float valve. Number 6. Blank bypass valves respond to the change in downstream or suction pressure. A suction, B discharge, C liquid, or D accumulator. Correct answer is B discharge. Number 7. 1 MBH is equal to 1 million BTU per hour, 10,000 BTU per hour, 1,000 BTU per hour, or the 100 BTU per hour. Correct answer is C 1,000 BTU per hour. Number 8. A condition where liquid entering the compressor causes hammering is called A slugging, B slushing, C sledging, or D slamming. Correct answer is A slugging. Number 9. Induction motors are always operated with what power factor? A leading, B starting, C centering, or D lagging. Correct answer is D lagging. Number 10. Energy efficient room air conditioners have a AER 8.5 or higher, AER 7, AER 6, or AER 7.5. Correct answer is A, EER 8.5 or higher. Number 11. Calculate the EER of a 9,000 BTU air conditioner if the power input is 1000 watts. A11, B9, C9.5, or D19? Correct answer is B9. And here's the solution. EER is equal to cooling output divided by power input. So pretty straightforward. We are given 9000 BTU air conditioner. That's the output. And the input is 1000 watts. 1 kilowatt. So then we just substitute the given. ER is equal to 9000 divided by 1000 is equal to 9. Okay, so here's the definition of EER. EER is energy efficiency ratio, is a measure of how well does an HVAC device use energy. It is the ratio of useful cooling output in BTUs per hour to electricity input in watts. Okay, that's the definition. That's the solution to the problem. Right there's the formula. And there you have it. Okay. And also number 10, it shows you for small air conditioners 8.5 or higher is an energy efficient room air conditioner. Okay, I hope you have learned something from this video, and I'll see you again in the next video. Cheers and have a good one, and happy reviewing. Okay, take care.